Welcome to our channel, Tigo Tong. Locusts, floods, drought, famine, pandemics. These have become common in our daily conversation with great impact on food availability. And so the reason for our food videos and the conversations around food is to help people reflect on and enhance their ability to store food for long using simple methods and available resources so that you can build and secure your personal food security to mitigate on oncoming food shortages. Imagine a situation where all your food stock is in the fridge and the power goes off, say for 2 to 3 days, as it always happens in the country or even in Africa. You can lose all your food stock in one day. Imagine also that you have lots of money, but suddenly shops are closed and you can't buy food. I must remind you that food security is having food when you need it and it is within reach. So knowing how to store, knowing how to prepare food is critical. What we have here is pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin leaves is an excellent source of green vegetables that is easy to grow and quickly propagates. It is common in many homes in Kenya and almost across all communities. So you pick your pumpkin leaves, remove the fuzzy, thorny parts, and carefully wash off any dirt, soil, and then put it out to dry. When the leaves are no longer holding water, cut them into slightly bigger chunks, and then you spread them out on a large mat directly on the sun. Now, 2 hours in the sun, you will get this kind of texture. You have to keep on drying and remember to keep on turning the leaves. By evening, the whole lot will have shrunk in size. Lay them out the next day, and by evening they will be completely dry for storage for up to 2 years. Pack them into appropriate storage containers. I would suggest according to meal sizes, and then label with a date. Don't forget to put the date. Now, you keep on doing this whenever you have more than enough to cook and you add it onto your stock. This is how you will begin to build your food collection for longer storage. This is the beginning of your food security.